road with restricted access.
Right.
£1.50 for 1 litre.
You know how to do it. What is it? First time I did it.
Probably will come back here.
That was right, good.
Like,
Are you ready for this?
you be first.
Try it. Don't say that.
Alright.
It's actually nice, but there's no am right. It's like the medicine bottle.
Tasted it before.
Is it?
I tasted it before, but I don't know.
Kochmeister.
Did that just... Oh, never mind. They're huge! Pina colada. Your normal chocolate milk. And then... Before I forget, look, it's dishwasher safe. Oh, I'm just in, my brain's no here. It's like I want my chocolate milk, I need it now, so I need to record it now, so you can see my face. I'm not sitting down, I can't even bother sitting down. It makes sense to me. Right, we've got to try pina colada first. Look how big that is. It's only a litre. It is just a litre, but it looks massive. It was £3 for the bottle with something in it. Right? We called that a shot. And then it was £1.50 for the milk. So if you didn't want the milk, you could have just bought a normal one, nothing in it, pretend there's nothing in it. This would actually just be, it was £2.50. So one shot is 50p because you could do whatever you wanted in that machine that I got Iron Brew with, which is red. Pina colada first. I'm actually quite excited for that one. It's coconut milk. I've never tried pina colada before, so I didn't know what to expect. So now I expect coconut. It's coconut milk. If you like coconut, you will absolutely love this. I love it. I love it. I'm definitely going back. Who knows if I'll record? I'll probably will. That was great. Since this is the one I actually want to try, because I want it now. Just give me it. Which I don't expect this to taste different. It's here. This, I forgot to fill it up with milk, so that's kind of what I'm going to do. Ta-da! I know, talk to myself again. I know. You can go out, by the way, because it is sunny. Will I let you out? Right, give it a minute. It's kind of went pinky orange. That is amazing. Doesn't look it. I know, I'm too warm for emotions. Just home, tired. Oh, it's delicious. Still doesn't taste like iron brew. It's sweeter. There's something missing, but kind of obviously. It's sweet, fruitery taste. Oh, I would actually go this. This, number one for me. Chocolate milk than pina colada. But I also don't like the taste of coconut. But it is nice. I will drink them all. Yes. Right, put a wee bit of water in it. That is orange. That's pretty cool, isn't it? But now it tastes like iron brew that you've left out for 2 days. But overall, I would highly recommend going there. Absolutely. They've got a farm as well that you could look at that we didn't. You can see all the cows and that.